If your quads hurt, keep watching. Tom and I are going to show you how to make them and you feel better fast. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes to help you get a free, powerful quad massage anywhere, anytime. Quadriceps are enormously powerful muscles that need regular care. Frequent massage is one of the most effective ways to keep them healthy. Learning to do the work yourself will let you feel better fast, anywhere, anytime. This is a learn by doing video, so while you view it, do it. While bareskin is best, it's not necessary, so keep your pants on if you like. And get out the best massage tools in the galaxy, your hands. Now choose the leg that most needs a massage, and let's get started. Step 1. Slowly glide the heel of your hand over your quads, like Tamra. Now pick up the pace. Step number 2. Squeeze your quads with the heels of both hands. Completely relax your leg. Go slow and vary the intensity of each compression. Squeeze the heels of your hands hard enough to arouse sensation with each squeeze. Don't be afraid to improvise. Just doing it means nothing, but how you do it means everything. What makes self-massage so effective is being able to react instantly with your hands to every sensation you feel. Step number 3. Squeeze and roll the heels of your hands into your quads. Apply as much intensity as feels good, but not too good. There's a fine line between pain and pleasure. To find it, you have to cross it often. And crossing it at just the right time will make you happy. Completely relax your leg. Go slow and vary the intensity of each compression. Squeeze hard enough to arouse sensation with each roll. Step number 4. Press your elbow into your quads like Tamra. Vary the location of each thrust. Focus all your attention on the sensation of each impression. Feel for trigger points. When you find one, continue to press until it disappears. So what are trigger points? They're points of exquisite tenderness that affect muscle performance. If, over time, they're not released, they'll impede your ability to move fluidly. And eventually they'll impede your ability to move at all. Step number 5. Press and roll your elbow into your quads, like Tamra is doing. Relax your quads and feel them wiggle beneath your elbow. Lean into them if you like. Step number 6. Play your quads like drums. This is a stimulating wake-up stroke, so let it wake you. Step number 7. Breathe deeply and relax your whole body. Close your eyes and focus all your attention into the quad muscles in both your legs. Notice how different they feel. Stay relaxed and keep breathing. Congratulations! Another great massage brought to you by your own 2 hands. Try variations on this routine every time your quads need relief. And thanks for watching. And if you feel better now than when you started, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Self-massage. It's not just for cheapskates anymore.